Welcome to LearnCAE channel. In this tutorial, CAD modeling of a rod support component using PTC-CREO will be demonstrated. Let us create new part and name it, Rod Support. Let us now make a sketch using a predefined shape from the palette menu. Let us constrain the shape to the center and specify right dimensions. Let us define a new plane using the plane command. We shall create the new plane to 4 inches from the bottom of the part, so this plane will be the top plane of the other end of the support. Let us create the other interface of this part using an extrude command. Constrain the sketch as it is seen in the drawing using the right references. Now we have two separate solids. We need to connect with a connecting part. We shall use extrude again to create the connecting part. Select the center plane, and choose the faces of the first solid and the center line of the second solid as references. Now we shall draw the sketch, and set the two ends of it to equal length using the equal constraint. Click OK, and set the extrude depth to symmetrically to 4 inches. Now we shall create a sketch for the holes in the bottom part. If we choose the existing semicircles as references, we can see their center points. We shall place a datum point to the two centers, so that the software will generate two axes there automatically, which we can use to create holes. Let us create one hole using the hole feature, and place it on one of our datum points. Further, select our hole in the model tree. Click on the pattern command, and set it on point pattern. Select our previous sketch, and click OK. Create the top hole using the top plane and the axis, select them holding down Ctrl. Let us create the fillets as shown on the drawing. If we click on an edge, the fur will place a radius to it, which we can modify. If we want to modify more edges simultaneously, select them by pressing Ctrl, so they will be in one set. Thanks for watching. Kindly comment and subscribe.